Welcome to our first ever vlog series. This vlog series is basically about Durga Puja, all about Durga Puja. And in this vlog series, we are going to show you some clips of fashion, food, travel, and much more things. So buckle up your seatbelts as we welcome you to the first ever episode of Puja during pandemic. Let's get started. Right now we are going for pandal hopping. First we're gonna go to Adarsha Para. Like we've already
Puja is very small over here.
Like
It's a quarter thing.
it's beside the rail station. We're gonna show you. So we have reached Adarsha Para and we're hopping. Wow. And we came with a full team. So now we are here with all the members. Hello.
Hello.
So all of us, the juniors plus the seniors, we have come for pandal hopping and now we are at Adarsha Para beside the railway station, beside the Belakoba railway station. This is the station where we... Hi Sunny.
Guys, we are gonna hop another
Pandal which is Pratap Shango. Their pandal is like super amazing now. You can see it. So this is the pandal. Like amazing. And you can see the idol. So guys, we have reached now. What club is this? What club? It's not Moonlight. इन लोग का ठाकुर आज ही आया है, like प्रतिमा. So guys, we have reached Navadut Club. Navadut Club. So there, Pratiman, matlab Thakur or the idol have just arrived right now. So let me show you. So there, like the pandal is nice, but you can see the faces of the idols are covered because they have just arrived right now. So guys, right now we have come to Moonlight Club. This pandal, Moonlight Club, it's right beside Navadut Club. We are going home. Guys, we are shooting a video in the mandap. Guys, you can see our backpacks, tripods. Like tripods, भी अभी हम लोग का मूर्ति बन गया and
I'm the skipper.
so we are.
Hey guys.
So guys, it's already 8 p.m. in the evening and we are all here in our society pandal. You can see right there.
Right there, yes.
So we are
And
right
we
here.
are
and
all set and ready with our outfits.
so you can see our outfits and
If you want to see our outfits, please
go on our Instagram ID.
account.
Which is gonna be in the description box.
Please Yeah.
say
your Instagram ID.
My ID is Rupama Das official. Go follow
Sushanjit
me.
the official.
100_official. Name is 100
And
underscore official.
Shinjit the _official.
Hi.
Hello.
Hello.
So this is our pandal and I think everyone is enjoying a lot.
Yeah. No.
No?
Right now, no.
Guys, I did something. So guys, in the evening, we also went to hop some more pandals that we have missed earlier. तो चलो, अभी हम लोग आपको वही दिखाने वाले हैं. Here at another pandal.
Another pandal.
What is the
Which
name?
is this Vivekananda Colony.
Vivekananda Colony. So we have arrived to Vivekananda Colony and everyone is here. And let me show you the look. This time the pandals are not that big, but you can see
Oh my god, this is so good.
You can
Actually,
see-
like ours one.
Yeah. Guys, we are having momos.
So guys, we are having some momos.
We are going to our pandal. We actually had lots of momos and like chips and all. Hey guys. Good morning. So it's currently 8 in the morning and we are going to the pandal. So आज है सप्तमी. आज की सप्तमी and we are going to the pandal for the pujo, Saptami pujo, and
Also show you some clips from there.
and we are wearing our outfits.
If you want
wanna
to
get
our outfits,
then
please go check out our
Instagram account. The link will be below in the description box below. And forgive us if yesterday's clip was very short because we want to keep we want to spend more time with our friends and families during Durga Puja because it comes once in a year. So we thought of spending time with them. So we kept our phone side for a little bit and then we vlog. So I guess you will love yesterday's vlog and today's vlog. It's gonna be awesome because today we are trying our level best to shoot as much content as we can. So we've already come to the pandal and now it's time for pujo. We had spent a great time on Saptami morning. We ended up having a lots of fun with our friends. Even we followed the timeless rituals including Anjali and had the sumptuous bhog. What are you waiting for? Go watch the rest of the vlog.
So guys, we are having some bhog ka prasad.
And it's amazing. Like pujo ka bhog ka prasad is always good. So we're having khichdi and a mixed vegetable sabzi which is called labda. We're having that.
Or called ghat.
It's good. It's very, very, very good. So guys, Saptami morning is done. And we did so much enjoyment. We also shot some clips of this Sunday's video and now we are very tired because we're gonna go home. So it's already today's episode is going to be really, really good. और आज अभी हम लोग नहीं खत्म करेंगे because रात में भी दिखाएंगे. Then we're gonna end the episode. And it is afternoon right now. We are all going home. We have some Instagram pictures and make sure you follow us.
Oh,
we have to have lunch. Then we will again we have to take rest and then we're gonna again come in the evening. Okay, bye Sunny.
bye.
We're gonna meet at
7 o'clock.
7 o'clock.
Bye.
So guys, it is already 7 p.m. in the evening during Saptami night and here we are presenting you the vlog ahead. Guys, we are having some momos. So guys, right now we are here at a restaurant named Chinatown and we're gonna have some momos and some the chow meins and those who will have their drinks, they're gonna have like Sprite and Coke. And we are here for our dinner basically. Everyone is here. Everyone is here. No, it's already 9:30 p.m. and you can see it's a little bit crowded right here. And we already have some momos and some chow meins.
Hello.
Hush. That's our idol. I hope you have already seen it. So guys, after our very heavy dinner, we are finally ending this vlog. So this is first episode. From tomorrow we're gonna shoot the second episode where we will include Ashtami and Navami. So comment down below how do you guys like Shoshti and Saptami. And sorry for if you guys can't see our beautiful faces. I know it's ugly but still.
Okay,
And
bye.
guys, we are ending this vlog. If you like this video, don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up and please subscribe to our channel and click the little notification bell so you'll be notified every time we are on YouTube. Please comment down and share how do you guys like this video, and Shanjit and Rupama are going to come in the next episode. Bye.
Till that, keep watching the Bomb Blasters.